Thanks, sir. Enjoy the ride. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Twoloosebricks Adventures, Bricksters and Lego friends. Don't forget your VIP ticket to enjoy all the fun right here in the amusement park. Okay guys, so we are here with the July amusement park update, and basically what I got going on here now, because we looked at this today and we decided to move things around all again. So Pirates Cove is over here, if you want to call it Pirates Cove or whatever. So that's going to be here. The new addition is going to be along there, and Toy Story Land is now over here in this section behind the coaster, and Disney Princess Land or Fairy Tale Land or Fantasyland, whatever you want to call it, type thing. So we now have Toy Story Land in here, and the Wild West is set up right in there, Frontierland, and okay, so I'm going to take you back into the Winter Village section just to explain a few things. We moved some stuff around in here as well, because we had the Frozen Castle over here from Arendelle, but now we moved it back closer to the Elsa's Castle. So Frozen section is kind of all in that one area right there, with all the castles and that. And we have our Christmas tree lot right there. And we put these ones here back to back. And the reason we did that is, well, the train is coming through here, and we kind of wanted this to look like Hogsmeade a little bit. So, you know, we had to move stuff around like for that, because Toy Story Land was over there in that big grassy green area next to the spaceport, but there was something about it that just didn't look right. So we decided to take it out, put it over there, and then sort of make this a smaller version of Hogsmeade, and we're going to put some Harry Potter characters in there. So now that whole section in the back there, we're getting ready for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We already have the train there, and the night bus is sitting right here. That's going to be moved over there. So it kind of, you know, flows here. We've got like Halloween Town, and it just sort of segues right into Harry Potter. So that's pretty cool. And then we come around here and we'll have Hogsmeade, and yeah, it'd be like the Winter Village, and it's also the Christmas section as well, and with the coaster and everything over here in Christmas Land. And it just makes sense. So there were some things we were trying to figure out what to do and what not to do. So that's what we did there. Now the only other things I've been doing is down here. I've been working at this control panel. This is a 4-channel control panel strictly for the Pirates table and the underwater scene as well, which contains Ariel and SpongeBob section. So there's the Ariel section there, and SpongeBob section over here. So you can see the top of Ariel's castle is missing. It's off, and it's just sitting down there. So what we're going to do, because of the height of this, is we're going to stick it up on top, and it'll look like the top of the castle is poking through the water, because this is supposed to be water here, simulating water, of course. So that about does that. And we straightened up the Fairy Tale Land here and got that all nice and tidy, sort of, right there. Still kind of a mess out front here, but that being said, everything sort of flows together now. We move the log cabin into the Wild West section, so that looks pretty cool in there. Although the Wild West never had palm trees, this one does. Yeah. So anyway, we got our Dole Whip stand right there, and our Pineapple Express mixer. But it's not. This is not it. This is just a case of minifigs. But that's where it goes right there. It's upstairs right now on the review table. So just did the video for that, and we have Animal Kingdom moved over right in here. It's very small, but it's there. And of course, a little bit of a Jurassic Park thing going on here. So that takes us right close to Harry Potter, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So there it is, all going to be in this section right along here. Now I don't know if I'll go completely right down to here or not. It depends on how many sets we get and what we utilize and what we build. We want to build as many scenes of the movies, the iconic scenes that we can, and we're going to be putting them in here. So that's the plan there. And we got the spaceships wired up again, and everything works, and it's pretty darn cool. So we got the main control board here for most of the rides, except the pirate table. That's over there. So without further ado, let me just flip that on. Green light came on there, and some of the rides have come on. And here we go. You can get to see them. There's the little white roller coaster going, the carousel, the Ferris wheel. Yeah, the big coaster's going too, but he's not in alignment with the tracks. There's the flying Friends spaceships. We have the ghost train operating down there, which is pretty cool. Now let's get the coaster working. The coaster is really cool when it's actually working on the motorized system. We got all the cars going here. So much easier than hand cranking that. And I really think that coaster is amazing. It really adds to the park. But on the negative side of things, it's so big. It's like the biggest attraction in our park right here. So it is pretty cool. So, but that's okay. We got some Easter eggs put in here in the park as well. And people who know things just might be able to spot them, you know. See if you can see anything. Maybe sometime we'll have to do an Easter egg hunt. Nothing really got done over into this section. Just the main park itself has been being worked at. So, but all in all, that's okay, because this is really where I wanted to get things done and get all these rides and everything operating. And I think it's pretty darn cool. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so that you will know when the next upload comes, and we can keep you informed of many great things going on here in the amusement park. I'll talk to you guys all again very shortly.